112 zasili, prosim.
So, for the technical part, we are making two cuts up on the A pillar and down on the A pillar, because we wanna pull the full dashboard to the front. This is what we wanna achieve. So we need the cut on the windshield, that the windshield or the A pillar can move, and also down there to have like a weak point where it's using as a hinge, where we are really lifting it. And now what you saw, really mount the chains down on the A pillar, because otherwise you're ripping it out. And now look exactly where the legs of the drivers are, or where the legs of the driver is. You see, you're opening the legs room. It's not the smoothest technique, but it's fast, okay? Right, now we have space. We can try to pull a little bit more and see what happens, okay? Ja, das passt. Okay? So now the limit was reached because we are just lifting the car, but we are not creating more space in the legs room anymore.